Here's a little more circle knowledge.
This is the unit circle.
The unit circle.
This is a 1 unit circle. So the dimension from the center to here is 1 unit. No matter what size it is, we're calling it 1 unit.
It's unitless.
It's unit. This is unitless. So if we go in the x and y coordinate, if we go 1 to the left and x, or to the right and x, that would be 1, and we don't go any up, so that would be 0. So that's our coordinates for that system, for that point.
For that point on that particular
On the
circle.
X, going the other way, we went -1 and 0. We don't go up at all or down on the y. Over here, we don't go anything on the x, so we get a 0, but we get a +1 on the y coordinate. Down here,
Just the opposite. We
we
got
go
it.
just the opposite. We go 0 on the x, -1 on the y.
All right.
Now the important thing to remember about this is these things inside these brackets are the cosine and the sine of these angles. We got an angle here. This is the cosine.
So that one up there, 0,
of 90
1,
degrees.
is 90 degrees. Let's write that on top of there. 90 degrees.
This is 90 degrees.
All right.
Over here is 0 degrees.
All right.
Over here is 180 degrees, and over here is 270 degrees.
All right.
Now, this is the way we find the cosine and the tangent, and the sine, cosine, and tangent of an angle. This one here is 60 degrees. This one in here is 45 degrees. And this one is 30 degrees. Now there's a real easy way to remember this. You go over 2, over 2, over 2, over 2, over 2, over 2. Then you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we take the square root of the upper number all the time. And the square root of 1 is 1, so we don't have to do anything with that. We take the square root of 3, we take the square root of 2, square root of 2. Here we got the square root of 3 again, and here we got the square root of 1, which is 1. Now, all we have to do is put brackets around these. We put brackets around them, and those are our x and y coordinates for those points on the circle. And this tells us what the cosine of 60 degrees is. And this is the sine of 60 degrees. This is the cosine of 45. And the sine of 45 are the same number, because they're exactly the same distance here and here. So the numbers are exactly the same.